So why, if you're only missing one tooth, why a dental implant over a traditional bridge?
Yeah, if you're missing a tooth, a bridge basically, now you've got 3 teeth involved. They grind the other teeth down to like a little teepee, and then the bridge connects on top of that. Of course, the one that was ground down, if you have a problem there, now it's going to be 4 teeth. I mean, this could start a domino effect around your mouth. The single tooth, if you're missing a spot there, you put an implant in and you just replaced it.
And they're done.
Yeah, and a 98% chance that that tooth will outlast us. And it doesn't, you don't involve all these other teeth, and you can kind of stabilize the bite and keep things from moving that way.
In the long run, it's less expensive than a bridge?
In the long run, it's going to be less expensive because hopefully you put it in. If you take good care of it, it should outlast you. Bridges, they're harder to clean as they lose bone underneath them because there's no implant there. You get a little gap under them, and they're generally, you can't floss around them unless you come in from the side.
So implants, I mean, literally, today in dentistry, or at least in your practice, if you're missing a tooth, definitely get the implant over the bridge.
With today's technology, there's no reason not to.
But why does everybody go for it? Are they just afraid of surgery? Because you say it doesn't really hurt.
I mean, well, it depends on what's recommended to you, and a lot of people think that the bridge is cheaper, but ultimately it's going to be more expensive in the long run by the time you pay for the next one that's bigger. When the tooth on each side is likely to need a root canal after you grind it down like that, we're not even touching those other teeth with an implant.
So get a dental implant.
Yeah, get a dental implant.